Welcome to the Tiscade channel. Today we are going to show you how you can control notifications in Tiscade. Tiscade works with 3 levels of notifications. They are Watch, that will show all notifications. Mention, which will show notifications only when you are mentioned. And Ignore, that will not show notifications. In addition, you can choose what type of notification you will receive on which device. Let's see in practice how it works. You can configure notifications in your workspace or project. Let's start with Workspace. As soon as you access your workspace, click on the drop-down next to your workspace name. And then click on Notifications. Now, you must choose what type of notification you will receive on each device. Then, click on the Save button to save. Your workspace is set up. Now we are going to do our configuration for a specific project. You must first access your project. Click on the Menu button, located in the upper right corner of your screen. You must click on Notifications. And then, Set up Notifications. Click the Save button. And now your project's notifications are set up. Tiscade. Turn ideas into action.